Welcome to another episode of Daily Basnight Market Bites. And it's 2025. In case you didn't notice, the calendar has flipped. And 2025 is a reappraisal year here in Carteret County. And Carol, how many properties do we have here in Carteret County?
We have 62,200 individual properties in Carteret County, and all of those will be affected by this reappraisal.
So, and Kelly, you have more information.
Every single one of them.
Yeah. Every single.
You have more information on this, right, Kelly?
I do. I was going to tell y'all a little bit about the reappraisal year. Every 4 years we do it in Carteret County. And the market value has a lot to do with it. Is the market value is not determined by the tax office.
Okay.
Correct. There's a schedule of value that they go by, which has all kinds of charts and all kinds of stuff in it that the county has to approve first. And once they've approved to use that, then they just use that formula.
And that's already been approved.
That's already been approved.
Okay. By the actual activity in the local market, what's sold, and so they determine a new value for your property.
And Kelly, I understand too, this year in 2025 was a little bit different than past years because a lot of times they just kind of use data and whatnot GIS map to kind of look at things. What was different this year? This
year, they physically went to each property to check it out. They say boots on the ground. They went out to each property, looked at it to see if additional buildings were on that property, what has changed. So it is important if they had to add on. So it's really important for each property owner to look at their statement and see what differences there are in it.
Right.
Yeah. And I know there is an appeal process. People have.
Yes. I wanted to tell y'all that the values will be going out in March. And there is an appeal process. So if you have a question about the value that your property has been given, you do have the right to appeal. To appeal. There is a way that we can help you here at Bailey Basnight.
Yeah, with that appeal process.
With the appeal process.
Yeah, we can provide a real estate review for you. And basically, it's not a full market analysis, but it's kind of a bird's eye view, give you an idea of what properties have sold for recently near you. So that way you can, if you say, look, I think this is way off, we can provide you that real estate review, and that would help you in your appeal process if you decide to appeal that reappraisal.
And we can also do once you get our kind of bird's eye view, the short version, if you really need a full CMA, we can do that easily.
We can do that as well.
Yeah.
That is correct.
We can.
So,
and another reason to get a property review is for your insurance.
Yeah. You want to make sure your insurance is up to date.
You want
to
make sure you're
or just
covered.
Curiosity. Sometimes people just want to know what their value is. It's fun to know how much equity do I have in my property right now. So real estate review can serve all those purposes.
Yeah. We have clients who request one every year.
Yeah, we do.
Yeah, sure. And speaking of things every year, another thing that we do here as our team is we provide our clients who close this year with your HUD statement.
Right.
So you're going to need that at tax time, whether you do your own taxes or you have a tax accountant. We're gonna send a copy to you. That's going to be coming out here shortly in the next couple weeks. So be on the lookout for that.
So you don't have to dig for it in all your records. We'll have it right there in the mail, right when you need it.
Because we know everyone is starting to get their taxes together.
It's that time.
Isn't that fun?
It's that time. Tax time will be here
right
for you.
on
That's exactly right. So be aware of that for that reappraisal. If you need a real estate review, reach out to us. And again, for our clients to close this year, be on the lookout for the HUD statement. You should get it in the mail soon. All right.
Great.
All right.
We'll see you next week.
See you, everybody.
All right. Bye-bye.